Tonight's webinar is being brought to you by Viva Learning, and an honorarium support was provided by Voco America, but please note that I have no financial relationship with Voco or any of their materials. Here are some of my disclosures. I'm going to be talking so fast because this is really a 2-hour lecture, really squeezed into 1 hour. So get your pen and paper. You're going to want to write down some of the products that I use and some of the equipment that I use if you're going to take a real interest in this, and I hope that you will. I'm going to talk about portable equipment, supplies, the limited amount of services that I provide, who to treat and who not to treat. So the need for individual patient care is so huge. On the left, we're talking about patients 65 or older. Now, just realize my average patient is 90. So imagine 1 in 5 adults aged 65 or older have lost all their teeth. That's crazy, right? 1 in 5 adults aged 65 or older have untreated tooth decay. And we all know the results of lack of care. We all know that there's transportation constraints for the geriatric and the disabled patients, right? We all know about that. We know about the increased cancer risks. And we know that death can be caused by a bacterial infection that's left undiagnosed and untreated.